we're going to create a package called user, and then this I'm just going to create a class called user, and then fuck, I just misspelled it. Oh my god, I think I I don't know. Anyway, so let's just go ahead and make a username, and then also go ahead and make the password, and then we'll just go ahead and make a constructor. So let's just go ahead and generate that constructor, and then bam, and then let's just go ahead and generate the getters and setters so that they return the data. So now what we can do is we can make a toString method and override this. There we go. And now what we can do here is we can have, oh my god, it doesn't let me click data. This is a document. I'm going to access the collection users, and then now I'm just going to create a custom object ID, and then I'm just going to annotate that with oh my god, it doesn't let me type. And then let's just annotate this with ID, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a user repository interface. So I'm just going to call it user repository, and then let's just go ahead and have repository user, and the object is the ID is on type object. So now I can just go with that, and then I can just create a user controller class. Oh my god, it doesn't let me create the controller. So let's just say user controller. Now let's go ahead and say user repository. Oh my god, it doesn't let me do that by any means. Let's just go ahead and say, oh my god, and then let's just say user repository info, and then this is this dot. I'm going to refer to that repository instance over here, and then assign that to this. I'm actually going to make this a little unique. There we go. Bam, bam, bam. Let me just make this repository. Okay, there we go. And now what I can do is I can just return a list of type user. Oh my god, it doesn't let me spell for shit the data. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to just say return the repository, and then we'll just execute the find all method that's part of that interface. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to create a list of type user with the data, and then we'll just go in and assign this over here. And then what I'm going to do is if the with the data dot size is actually, let me import this. So if the data dot size is greater than 1, then we'll return that data. So let's just go ahead and say return with the data. If not, we'll return now. Okay, so now I need to annotate this. So let's just say it's a controller, and it's a REST controller, and we'll give it a request map. Oh my god, it's not letting me do the request mapping, and then say okay, now that we have this, we can just make this with get mapping, and now we can just run this program. And now that I've done that, it's port 6000 because I've declared the port number over here, 7 port, and it's connected to my cluster. Okay, so now I can just go to /home and then make a get request, and then that's exactly where I am. So if I make a get request, it should give me that data back. Oh my god. Oh.